How to set up your Kiwibit Biko Smart Bird Feeder. Start by scanning the code and downloading the Kiwibit app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app, create your account, and log in to get started. Next, attach dual seed hopper and roof to the feeder body to get your bird feeder assembled. Then open the battery compartment cover, take it out and remove the insulation sticker. Put the battery back to power the bird feeder on. You'll hear a repeated ding sound, indicating that the bird feeder has entered pairing mode. If you don't hear it, double press the power button to ensure the camera is ready to pair. In the Kiwibit app, tap Add Device to start pairing your bird feeder. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device. The app will automatically search for the bird feeders in pairing mode. Next, tap on your bird feeder's image, choose a 2.4 GHz network for it to connect to, and ensure the password is entered correctly for a successful connection.
Connection successful.
Finally, follow the instructions in the app to complete the setup. Assign a name to your bird feeder and set its location. Success! Your Kiwibit Smart Bird Feeder is now ready for use. Once the setup is complete, the bird feeder will appear on the app's home page, where you can access it anytime. If you need to re-add your bird feeder, double-click the power button to force it into pairing mode. And follow the previous steps again to connect it.